A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back to the computer online class. Okay, so today we will start new chapter in computers, that is chapter number 6, using computers, do's and don'ts. So first of all, what is the meaning of do's? Do's means कि हमें क्या करना है and don'ts means हमें क्या नहीं करना. We have learned that what is a computer, what are the different parts of a computer. We have also learned uses of computers. We have learned about computer keyboard, computer mouse. Now it's turn to learn that how to use the computer. अब हमें क्या लर्न करना है कि कंप्यूटर हम यूज़ कैसे करते हैं. हमें पता है कि व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर. अ कंप्यूटर इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन. हमें पता है कि पार्ट्स क्या क्या हैं कंप्यूटर्स के. We have also learned uses of computers, different uses of computers. So now it's time to learn that how to use the computer. That while using the computer, what are the don'ts and what are the do's. कौन क्या क्या हमें करना चाहिए और क्या हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, स्पेशली जब हम कंप्यूटर यूज कर रहे हों. Now let's start the chapter. Okay, so all of you open chapter number 6, page number 5050, using computers, do's and don'ts. You should be careful while using machines. As we all know that machines played a very important role in our life, as machines make our work easy. Like washing machine, iron, television, these all are machines. Likewise, computer is also a machine, man-made machine. So you should be careful and attentive while using the computer also. जब कभी हम वॉशिंग मशीन और वी कैन से आयरन, जब कभी हम कोई मशीन यूज़ करते हैं, सो वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड अटेंटिव. Likewise, if you are using computer machine, so you should be careful and attentive. Now, the do's and don'ts will help you in the following ways. They will make you aware of safety rules to be followed while using the computer. They will help you to develop good habits in using the computer, and they will help you learn how to take care of your computer. जो डूज़ एंड डोंट्स है वो हमारी हेल्प करेंगे, हमें अवेयर करेंगे सेफ्टी रूल्स के बारे में, जो भी हमें सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो करने चाहिए व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग कंप्यूटर. डूज़ एंड डोंट्स डेवलप करेंगे गुड हैबिट्स इन यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर, एंड दे विल हेल्प अस. जो डूज़ एंड डोंट्स हैं वो हमें हेल्प करेंगे हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर कंप्यूटर. हमें बताएंगे कि हमें कैसे अपने कंप्यूटर की टेक केयर करनी है. So our first duty is to keep our computer as well as computer room neat and clean. Do not use a wet cloth to clean the monitor. If you want to clean your monitor or your keyboard or your any part of your computer, you should always use clean and dry cloth. कभी भी wet cloth use नहीं करना है. Always use a clean and dry cloth to wipe off dust or dirt from any part of the computer. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर या कंप्यूटर का किसी भी पार्ट को आपको फ्री करना है, डस्ट फ्री करना है, सो यू शुड ऑलवेज यूज़ विच क्लॉथ, वेट क्लॉथ और क्लीन एंड ड्राई क्लॉथ. यू शुड ऑलवेज यूज़ अ क्लीन एंड ड्राई क्लॉथ टू वाइप ऑफ डस्ट or dirt from any part of the computer. Now, the second is you should not eat or drink near the computer. You should not eat or drink near the computer. While you are in a computer room, there is no need to eat or drink near the computer. कंप्यूटर के पास बैठकर ना ही कुछ ड्रिंक करना है, ना ही ईट करना है. If you will eat or drink near the computer, then what will happen? Your computer may get damaged. If you drop or spill anything on the computer accidentally, for example, you are drinking fruity. आप फ्रूटी ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं, आपने फ्रूटी उसके ऊपर नहीं फेंकी है, वो एक्सीडेंटली गिर गई है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? दैट कंप्यूटर पार्ट मे गेट डैमेज्ड. दैट्स व्हाई यू शुड नॉट ईट और ड्रिंक नियर द कंप्यूटर. इसीलिए हमें कंप्यूटर के पास ना ही ईट करना चाहिए और ना ही ड्रिंक. नाउ अ थर्ड स्टेप इज, as I have told you earlier, that it's our duty to keep our computer room clean. So always keep the computer room clean, always. Your shoes may have dirt stuck to them, so always remove them before entering the computer room. What you all have to do before entering the computer room, always remove your shoes because your shoes may have dirt stuck to them. And always, and the last one is always keep the computer covered when not in use. अगर आप कंप्यूटर यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, so it's your duty that covered your computer. Always keep the computer covered when not in use. जब आप यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, so it's your duty to cover it properly, as you have seen in this picture. And if you covered your computer properly, then what happened? Your computer will always dust free. Now, using the computer gently means we have to use our computer or its parts gently. Always use the computer gently. Do not touch the connecting wires. It's our duty that we cannot touch the connecting wires. हमें connecting wires को touch नहीं करना है. Never bang the computer or its parts. Bang नहीं करना है computer को, ना ही उसके parts को, as you have seen in this picture. The boy is banging its computer parts. देखिए computer keyboard को bang कर रहा है. So do not touch the connecting wires, and the second thing is never bang the computer or its parts. If you will bang your computer or its parts, then what will happen? Your computer or its parts may get damaged. Never snatch the mouse or the keyboard from your classmates or others. Never snatch the mouse. The third thing is never snatch the mouse. Mouse snatch नहीं करना है, ना ही कीबोर्ड स्नैच करना है फ्रॉम योर क्लासमेट्स और अदर्स. ना ही क्लासमेट्स से स्नैच करना है और ना ही किसी और से. ऑलवेज यूज द कंप्यूटर जेंटली. हैंडल द कीबोर्ड एंड द माउस केयरफुली. सेकेंड स्टेप इज हैंडल द कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड एंड माउस हमें केयरफुली हैंडल करना है. Do not pull or push the keyboard too hard. Now it is also one of the don'ts of using the computer that do not pull or push the keyboard too hard. ना ही pull करना है, ना ही push करना है keyboard को. Otherwise it may damage the wire connecting the keyboard to the computer. If you will do like this, then what will happen? जो keyboard है वो work ही नहीं करेगा. जो भी wire है जो connect है keyboard से computer से, वो सब damage हो जाएगी. The next one is the keys on the keyboard should be pressed gently. Handling the keys roughly can damage the keyboard. Now it is also one of the don'ts of using the computer that the keys on the keyboard should be pressed gently. जो भी keys आप press कर रहे हैं keyboard पर should be pressed gently. हमेशा कैसे? Always press gently. The next do's is a computer mouse should be held properly. Means you have remembered that in last chapter I have told you that there is a proper place to keep the mouse. That is mouse pad. A computer mouse sits on a special seat called mouse pad. Always keep your mouse on mouse pad. So the next one is always keep CDs and DVDs properly in their cases or in a CD DVD folder. What do we all have to do? Always keep our CDs and DVDs. मतलब cassettes, DVDs, CDs, we should always keep them in their proper cases. And if you handle them carelessly, then obviously they may get damaged. So always keep CDs and DVDs in their proper cases. The next one is a computer must be switched on and off properly. It is very important that a computer must be switched on and off properly. Maintaining the correct posture. It is also a very important thing that maintaining the correct posture. Always sit at an arm's length from the monitor. Always sit at an arm's length from the monitor. At least one arm का distance होना चाहिए आप में और आपके monitor में. You should not bend forward while working on the computer. If you will work like this, then your eyes may get affected. So always maintain the correct posture while you are using the computer. The next one is taking turns while sharing the computer. If you are sharing the computer in computer lab, so always take your turn. Often you may have to share a computer in the lab with your classmate. Share the computer and work together so that you can finish the work given to you by your teacher in time. So you should always taking turns while sharing the computer. If you are sharing the computer, always taking turn so that you can complete your work. You should complete your work at the given period of time by your teacher. Okay, the next one is being sensitive towards other. If you are in a public place such as your school computer lab or an internet cafe or in an office, so you should not play music loudly. Use headphones or lower the volume so that the music does not disturb other. So always being sensitive towards other. If you are in a public place like computer room or an internet cafe or in an office, so do not play music loudly. If you really want to listen to music, so use headphones or lower the volume so that that music will not disturb others. So today we have learned some do's and don'ts while using the computer. Like always, use a clean and dry cloth to wipe off dust or dirt from any part of the computer. And we have learned that we should not eat or drink near the computer. We should always keep our computer room clean. We should always keep our computer covered when not in use. We have learned that how we can use the computer gently. We should never touch the connecting wires, never bang the computer or its part. We should never pull or push the keyboard too hard, and the computer must be switched on and off properly. Maintaining the correct posture is also a very important thing. So today we have learned these do's and don'ts while using the computer. That's all for today. Now it's your homework that you have to go through the chapter at least 2 times. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.